Ready to unlock the future of productivity with the revolutionary power of Vapi Ai? First, let's dive into the core of Vapi Ai, the dashboard. This is your command center. From here, you can easily see all the functions that Vapi offers. Notice the intuitive layout, designed for a seamless user experience. Step 1 is choosing your automation. See how Vapi Ai allows you to create, manage, and optimize automated workflows. Whether it's data entry, task scheduling, or automated responses, streamline your day with it all here. Click on Create Workflow. And now you can start designing your automated process. Next, let's build a workflow here. You'll encounter Vapi's drag-and-drop interface. Simply select actions like fetching information, processing it, or sending notifications and connect them to create your automated process. Want to retrieve information? Drag and drop the appropriate function from the left, then specify the data source and output location. Now, let's configure your chosen action. This is where you'll set the specific parameters for your automation. For instance, if you're setting up an email notification, define the recipients, subject, and content. Customize each task for precision and control. See how streamlined that looks? Then you'll want to test it. Before launching your automation, always test it. Click the Run or Test button to ensure everything is working as expected. Check if your notifications go out and the information is in the location provided. And that's a quick look at the powerful capabilities of Vapi Ai. With Vapi Ai, you're not just automating tasks, you're also mastering your future. Ready to explore more ways to boost your productivity? Get started now at website address and subscribe for more tutorials.